Good morning, students. Myself, Raghbir Jha. This is mathematics class. Today we will read worksheet 8 and 9 of Unit 3. These worksheets includes prime factorization of given number. As we know that prime factorization of given numbers contains only prime numbers. Prime factorization of given number does not contain any composite number. For example, if we take a number 16, then its prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means we write 2 4 times. But we cannot write the prime factor of 2 as 2 into 8 because 8 is a composite number. We cannot write prime factors of 16 as 2 into 4 into 2. Here 4 is the composite number, so this will be not correct. And also we cannot write the prime factors of 16 as 1 into 16 because 16 is a composite number. So the one thing which we should keep in our mind in writing prime factorization of given number is that the prime factors only prime factorization of given number contains only prime number, not composite number. When we take a number say 12, it can be written in different ways. We can write 12 is equal to 1 into 12, 12 is equal to 2 into 6, and 12 is equal to 3 into 4, 12 is equal to 2 into 3. In fourth step, 12 is equal to 2 into 3. It is prime factor of 12 because it contains only prime number. But 12 is equal to 3 into 4 is not a prime factor as it contains a composite number 4. 12 is equal to 2 into 6 is not a prime factor as it contains a composite number 6, and 12 is equal to 1 into 12 is also not a prime factor as it contains a composite number 12. So prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3 because in this situation the factors are only prime number. Factorization in which every factor is prime is called the prime factorization of the number. Methods of prime factorization. There are two methods of prime factorization. First method is factor tree method and second method is division method. A prime factorization will contain no composite number. This should be always keep in mind that in case of prime factorization there will be no any composite number. Now we look about factor tree method. Factor tree method is that type of method in which prime factors of given number are written in like a shape of branch of the tree. For example, if we write the prime factors of 12, we can break 12 into two factors, 2 and 6. Here 2 is a prime but 6 is a composite. We can again break 6 into two prime factors, that is 2 and 3. The prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Here we observe that in factor tree method, prime factors are written in the shape of the tree. That means prime numbers are written like a branch of the tree. For example, if we write the prime factor of 12, then observe here 2 divided 12, it is equal to 6. Again 6 is divided by 2 and it is equal to 3. These are written in the shape of like a tree. So this is called factor tree method. Now we take another example, prime factorization of 30 by factor tree method. So as we know that 30 is divided by 2 and its quotient is 15. We write it in like a shape of tree. Again 15 is divided by 3. As we know that 3 5s are 15, so the quotient is 5, and we observe that These factors are written in the shape of branch of tree, so this is called factor tree method. And we write again in last, prime factorization of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. The another method of prime factorization is division method. In division method, we simply divide the given number by only prime number. Here we do not use anywhere composite number. Let us take the composite number 36 and divide it by the smallest possible prime number 2. When 36 is divided by 2, we get 18 as quotient. Again, when 18 is divided by 2, we get 9 as quotient. Again, we divide 9 by 3, we get 3 as quotient. Again, 3 is divided by 3, then we get 1. Here we stop. When we come on breaking the given composite number at 1, then we stop here and write all the prime numbers which are used in division. So the prime factors of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. We start dividing by the smallest possible prime number and keep on doing the same till we get 1.